Rahul's salary comes, and still his money disappears. In the last video, you saw why the middle class stays stuck. Now I'll give you a simple step-by-step blueprint to escape it in 90 days. Not motivation, not theory, a clear order. Follow it exactly, because the real problem is not salary, it's leakage. Step 1 is simple. Stop the bleeding. Before investing, before side income, fix cash flow first. For 14 days, track every rupee. Just 14 days. You'll find the same 3 leaks again and again. Leak 1. Food delivery and random outside spending. Leak 2. Shopping and small EM. Does that look harmless? Leak 3. Subscriptions and credit card drift. Your job is not to become perfect. Your job is to see the pattern and cut it. Now you do one move that changes everything. Create a money floor. This is your minimum safety level. Step 2. Emergency fund. First target is 1 month of expenses. On salary day, move it automatically to a separate account. After 1 month, build it to 3 months. Now we attack the biggest trap, high interest debt. Step 3. Kill high interest debt first. The order is credit card, then personal loans, then other EMIs. Rule: no new EMIs for the next 90 days. 0. Pay extra on only one debt at a time. The highest interest first. You are buying freedom, not comfort. Now, after bleeding stops, you start building assets. Step 4. Build assets automatically. Start small. SIP or index fund. Even a small amount is fine. Rule: invest first, spend later. Not the opposite. You want consistency, not perfect timing. The real magic is automation. Systems beat willpower. Here is your 90-day autopilot dashboard. On salary day, 3 automatic moves happen. 1. Emergency fund. 2. Extra debt payment. 3. SIP. Now, the final step. Increase income the smart way. Step 5. Increase income, but smart. Pick one skill that pays more in your job market. Give it 30 minutes a day for 90 days. Then you use it to ask for a raise, switch jobs, or freelance. Same salary plus better structure already changes your life. This is how you escape. Not fast, but permanently. Quick recap. Stop bleeding. Emergency fund. Kill high interest debt. Build assets. Increase income. Follow this order for 90 days and you will feel financially different, even on the same salary.